Good morning, my dear students. I hope so you all are fine and you have completed your work up to exercise 6.5, right? So after 6.5, now I am starting exercise 6.6. So first question, you can see what is this? Circle the smallest fraction in each group, right? So we have to find the smallest fraction, means we have to do comparison. So first thing what you are notching here, see first one part is 2 upon 7, 4 upon 7 and the 1 upon 7. So you can see here the denominator is same, right? This denominator is 7, this one is 7, this one is 7, means all denominators are same here. If all denominators are same, so these are which type of fraction? This is like fractions. If in any question we will get the denominators different, so that fraction we will call unlike fraction, right? Like means similar and unlike means those are not similar, different. So like fraction means different denominator should be same. So if denominator same, so what we have to compare? Only the numerator. So in numerator this is 4, 2, this is 4, this is 1. So which is the smallest one? This one. So this fraction 1 upon 7 is the smallest one. Same here, denominator same 12. So numerator you have to compare, the smallest is 6. So 6 upon 12 is the smallest. Same here, this is 12 upon 13, 11 upon 13, 4 upon 13. Denominator same, compare numerator, so 4 upon 13. In this one, all denominators are 9, compare numerator, so this is 1 upon 9 is the smallest. In this 4 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 2 upon 4. Similar denominators, so which is the bigger smallest one? 2 upon 4. Here 3 upon 8, 7 upon 8 and 1 upon 8. All these denominators are same, so smallest one is 1 upon 8, right? This is clear. Now B part, mark the following fractions on the number line. So in this you have to show these fractions on the number line. So this is given 0 to 1, means these are the values of each one part. So firstly you see 3 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 1 upon 6. At the down how many are there? 6 only. So these are the like fractions. As you know that if we are doing the fractions, at the down means total number of parts. The 6 is showing on the number line how many parts are there? 6. So count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many parts are there? 0 to 1? 6. Now do, this is 3 upon 6. So count from here after 0. This is 1. This is means 1 upon 6. This is 2 upon 6. This is 3 upon 6. So 3 upon 6 they are asking. Done here. Now 2 upon 6. 2 upon 6 is where? After 1 upon 6. This is 2 upon 6. Then 5 upon 6. So 3 upon 6 done. Then 4 upon 6. This is 5 upon 6. Right? So all parts done here. Right? And this is 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 is here. So like this we have to show on the number line. Now see, this is 7 upon 8, 0 upon 8, 8 upon 8 and this is 4 upon 8. It means how many parts are there? This is 8. So count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right, 8 parts are there. Now count. This is 0 upon 8 means 0 upon 8 will come here only on 0. Next you can see they are asking 4 upon 8. Start from the smallest one only. 4 upon 8, this is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 8, this is 2 upon 8, this is 3 upon 8, or this is the 4 upon 8. Then this is 5 upon 8, 6 upon 8. So but they are asking 7 upon 8, right? Last one is 8 upon 8. So where will come 8 upon 8? You can know 8 will divide 8, what will come? 1 only. So at the one, this one number, what will come? 8 upon 8. Fine everyone. So you can do this one part also. 10 parts are there in this one. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, this one is 10, sorry. See, count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is in 10, right? Up to 1. So you can mark these numbers. Here 3 upon 10, here 5 upon 10, here 9 upon 10 will come. Now this is 9 parts. So 9 parts you can count. Then you have to mark 1 upon 9, 2 upon 9 and 5. So 1 upon 9 here, 2 upon 9 here and 5 upon 9 here. Like, now compare the fractions and put greater than or smaller than sign in this one. So you can see here denominators are same. So compare only the numerator. This is 3 or this is 2. Which one is bigger? 3 upon 4. Mark. 7 upon 8, 0 upon 8. Denominator same. So numerator compare. So 7. So this one is greater. Same here. 9 to same denominator. Compare numerator 1 and 3. 3. So this is 3 upon 9. Here 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2. Denominator same. Compare numerator. So this is 3. 5 upon 6, 4 upon 6. Denominator same. Numerator compare. This is 5 upon 6 is greater one. Here 2 upon 4. Then 4 upon 4. Denominator same. Check numerator. So this 4 upon 4 is greater 1. Fine. So like this you have to do A to C part in your book only. Fine everyone, but you have to do the practice in the practice notebook. Now question number D. Write the following fraction in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to bigger. So first one you can see denominators are same, means these are the like fractions. So you have to just compare the numerator. So 5 here, 6, 3, 4. The smallest is then 3 upon 4. Write 3 upon 4. Sign of the this one. Greater 1, then 4 upon 8, then 5 upon 8, then 6 upon 8. This is the very easy. Just you have to compare the numerator because denominators are same. Next here, this is 9, 9, 9. Denominator same. Again like fraction. So compare the numerator. This is 3, 7, 5, 8. So then firstly 3 upon 9, then 5 upon 9, then 7 upon 9, and then 8 upon 9. So arrange in the ascending order. Same here, 7 denominator. Numerator you have to compare. This is 3, 2, 4, 5. So firstly 2 upon 7, then 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, and 5 upon 7. You can see here, this is the answer. Now this is 9 upon 13, 6 upon 13, 4 upon 13, 3 upon 13. Denominator same. Arrange the numerator according to numerator. So 3 upon 13, 4 upon 13, 6 upon 13, 9 upon 13. Arrange. Similar here, 15. So you can do like this. Fine everyone. So D part you have to do in the notebook. In E part also you have to arrange in descending order. In D part we have done in the ascending order. Now we have to do in the descending order. So similar way, denominator is same. So this is like fractions. You just have to compare the numerator. So bigger to smaller you have to arrange in the descending order. So the bigger one you can see this 8 upon 8, arrange. Then 7 upon 8, then 3 upon 8, yes, then 1 upon 8. Similar way, this is 6 is the denominator, same. Now compare the numerator. Which one is the bigger one? This 5. So 5 upon 6, then 4 upon 6, then 2 upon 6, and then 1 upon 6. This all 10 denominator, compare the numerator. The bigger one is 10 upon 10. This is then 9 upon 10. Then 7 upon 10, and then 3 upon 10. Last one is also this. The denominator is 5, like fraction. So now arrange according to the numerator. So this is 4 upon 5 is bigger one. Then 3 upon 5. Then this 2 upon 5. And this 1 upon 5. Fine everyone. So this D and E part question you have to do in the notebook. Otherwise all the parts you have to do in the book only. But do the practice in your practice notebook. Thank you everyone.